Hi and welcome to this FortiAppSec Cloud video on machine learning-based bot detection. FortiAppSec's machine learning-based bot detection enhances traditional signature and threshold-based methods by identifying sophisticated bots that might otherwise evade detection. At the core of this feature is a machine learning algorithm called Support Vector Machine, or SVM for short. It learns what normal user behavior looks like across your applications, then constantly compares that to incoming traffic. So, if something changes, like after an app update, FortiWeb automatically updates its model to keep detection accurate. The learning model analyzes user behavior across 13 different dimensions, including things like the rate of HTTP requests, JSON or XML resources, and average duration with throughput. There is no need to manually set thresholds if a request doesn't match the learned model behavior. FortiAppSec simply flags the abnormal request as a bot. The machine learning-based bot detection feature in FortiAppSec Cloud uses AI models to learn user behavior and automatically adapt as your application evolves. This provides accurate, low-maintenance protection against evolving bot threats. Thank you for watching.